Hi everyone, you can see couldn't sign you in. Instead I can show how to recover your Gmail account or how to recover your Google account or how to recover your hacked or lost your Gmail or Google account. If you want to recover your Gmail account or recover your lost or hacked Gmail account or Google account without recover email, without phone number, without verification code, without OTP. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome. After that, choose and open your Google Chrome. After that, you can see search or type URL. So in this here I can type or write Google account help center. You can see Google account help. So in this you can choose and select Google account help. Click here. Scroll down. You can see account recovery. So in this you can choose and select account recovery. Click here. After that you can see how to recover your Google account or Gmail, tips to complete account recovery steps, secure a hacked or compromised Google account. So in this you can choose and select how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Click here. After that scroll down. You can see post to the help community, so click on it. After that scroll down. So in this you can easily recover your Gmail account or recover your Google account or recover your hacked or lost Gmail or Google account without recover email, without phone number, without OTP. So let's see. After that you can see try posting to the public help community. After that post a questions. So choose and select post a questions. Click here. How can the community help? The help community is public forum for anyone to discuss Google products. After that you can see short summary of your issue. So in this here you can write or type your problem, short summary of your issue. So in this here I can type or write can't sign into my Gmail account and unable to recover it. After that you can see explain the problem you are facing and what you have tried. After that in this here you can write or type your problem, explain. You can see in this time I can type or write my problem. I am unable to sign into my Gmail account. I have lost access to both my recovery email and recovery form and answered the security questions but I still could not recover my account. Please guide me on how to regain access to my Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. After that you can see two options. In this you can add your problem screenshot. After that scroll down. You can see category. After that please select open it. You can see account access and recovery, account privacy and security, account settings and management, Google for families. So in this you can choose and select account access and recovery. Click here. After that you can choose next. Click here. Choose the best description. People use this to find similar questions or offer help. You can see account recovery, account access issues. So in this you can choose account recovery. Click on it. After that choose next step. Add more details. These details help people see if they can give advice. Your answer appear publicly on your post. After you can see please select open it. You can see Android, iOS, web. So in this you can choose and select your phone. I can choose Android. You can see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. After that, you can see two options, yes include or no do not include. So in this one I can choose yes include. After that, choose next step. After that, choose and select post. You can see you have successfully posted in Google Help community. Most questions receive a reply within 24 hours. We'll send you an email notifications when there is a reply to your questions. So in this way, you can easily recover your Gmail account or recover your Google account or recover your hacked or lost Gmail account without recovery email, without phone number, without OTP, without verification code, or recover your Gmail account password without recovery email, without phone number. After that, go to Gmail. You can see Google account community can't sign you into my Gmail account and unable to recover it. So in this way, you can easily recover your Gmail account or Google account or recover your hacked or lost Gmail account or Gmail account password without recovery email, without phone number, without OTP, without verification code. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.